Welcome. Today we'll take a look at idioms, which are figures of speech. So what is an idiom? An idiom is a phrase that means something other than its literal meaning. So let's take a look at some examples here. I am exhausted and ready to hit the hay. Now here, the idiom is hit the hay. The speaker here isn't saying that they literally want to hit the hay, but rather this phrase, hit the hay, is an idiom meaning go to sleep. Another example, James slept in every Saturday morning. So slept in here is the idiom, and it doesn't mean that he's literally sleeping in something, like he's not sleeping in a box or something like that, but rather it means that he's sleeping late on Saturday mornings. So our next example here, this new iPhone is for the birds. This doesn't mean that the iPhone was designed for birds to use, but rather it means that it's not very good. For the birds is an idiom that means that something isn't very good. And our last example, I don't have time for your problems. I have bigger fish to fry. So this doesn't mean that this person is frying up a bunch of fish and has some large ones coming up that they need to focus on, but rather what it means is that bigger fish to fry means that this person has a lot to do and they have other things that they need to focus on generally. So these are idioms, which are an example of figures of speech.